The first real hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has finally leaked, and it reveals what could be the biggest improvement ever made to Samsung's foldable phones. If you've been waiting for Samsung to solve the biggest problem with foldables, this leak is exciting. The first thing everyone noticed is the display crease. It's now incredibly difficult to see. Even when the phone is tilted under bright lighting, the crease is barely visible. For years, the visible crease has been one of the biggest complaints about foldable smartphones, but Samsung appears to have made a major breakthrough this time. What's even more impressive is that this isn't a brand new phone straight out of the box. The leaked device is clearly being tested in real life. The person handling it folds and unfolds the phone several times during the video, showing that the device has already been used. Despite that, the display still looks remarkably smooth, making this upgrade even more convincing. According to reliable leaker Ice Universe, this improvement isn't limited to the Ultra model. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 is also expected to feature the same advanced crease reduction, meaning Samsung may finally deliver the foldable experience users have wanted for years. So, how did Samsung make this possible? The answer appears to be a redesigned hinge. While Samsung hasn't officially revealed the details yet, leaks suggest the company completely reworked the hinge mechanism to reduce pressure on the flexible display. That seems to be the key reason the crease has become so much less noticeable. However, there's one possible trade-off. Reports claim the new hinge slightly limits flex mode, meaning the phone may not stay stable at as many partially folded angles as previous Galaxy Fold models. For users who rarely use flex mode, this probably won't matter. In fact, many people would happily accept that compromise in exchange for a cleaner, more premium-looking display. The leaked video doesn't reveal the back of the phone, but it's expected to look very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The front design also remains mostly unchanged. One small mystery involves the under-display selfie camera. Earlier leaks suggested Samsung had made the camera area smaller, but in this hands-on video, it looks almost the same as before. That difference may simply be harder to notice on camera. Overall, this leak suggests Samsung has finally fixed the biggest weakness of its foldable phones. The only question that remains is long-term durability. If the display can stay nearly crease-free after thousands of folds, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra could become Samsung's best foldable smartphone yet. Samsung has also released several teaser videos focusing on one major change: the wider form factor. The company's new slogan, "New Shape, New Joy," clearly emphasizes that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will feature a noticeably wider outer display than previous generations. This should make everyday tasks much more comfortable without needing to unfold the device. Interestingly, every teaser focuses only on the standard Fold 8, while the Fold 8 Ultra remains absent. Another interesting detail is the official branding. Earlier leaks suggested Samsung might rename one of the models to Galaxy New Fold, but the official case images confirm the final names are simply Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Specification leaks continue to paint a clearer picture as well. The wider Fold 8 is expected to feature a thinner and lighter body, while keeping Samsung's premium build quality. One welcome improvement is the jump to 45-watt wired charging, a significant upgrade over the previous 25-watt charging speed. However, wireless charging remains limited to 15 watts, which feels disappointing considering Samsung's flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra already supports faster 25-watt wireless charging when paired with a magnetic case. Camera upgrades appear to be fairly modest this year. The biggest improvement is a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while most of the remaining camera hardware is expected to stay largely unchanged. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 reportedly won't even receive this new sensor, making the Fold lineup the primary focus for Samsung's camera improvements. Samsung will also launch several official accessories, including clear cases, silicone cases, premium aramid fiber cases, and magnetic cases. Just like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the magnets are built into the cases rather than inside the phones themselves. One topic that continues to generate discussion is pricing. with Apple recently increasing prices across several product categories and expected to raise iPhone prices even further. Based on the latest leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to start at around $1,999, while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra could start at approximately $2,099 in the United States. Samsung has not officially confirmed pricing yet, but multiple reports suggest the Fold 8 Ultra will carry a premium over the standard model. Release date. Samsung has officially confirmed that its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on July 22, 2026 in London, where the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and Galaxy Z Flip 8 are all expected to be announced. Pre-orders are expected to begin immediately after the event, with global availability likely starting in late July or early August 2026.